Hello, my students, how are you? They will explain new examples from Master book, module number 4, solve out question revision from first group. First question, number 1, choose the correct answer. For a set of data, summation f dot x equal 1500 x bar equal 20, what is the value of summation of frequency? We use the rule x bar equals summation of f dot x over summation of frequency. And then put the information from this example. We know x bar here was 20. 20 equal summation of f dot x. F dot x here, he gives us in the example 1500. Okay, and we want to find summation of frequency. We can write summation of f equal 1 product by 1500 over 20. We must use the rule. The product of extremes equal product of means. And then we can write 150 divided by 2 equal 75. Then summation of f, it will be what? 75. Choose letter A about question number 1. Next question number 2. The solution set of the equation in Z integers set of integers, we can write 4 product by x plus 2 equal 12. Next step, we must divide it by 4 to cancel the coefficient between two expressions, right hand side and left hand side. We must cancel the coefficient about parentheses, and then the result will be x plus 2 equal 12 divided by 4 equal 3. You must move 2 here from left hand side to right hand side to find the value of x equal 3 minus 2, then x will be equal 1. 1 falling to z, then the solution set will be 1. Close questions number 2. Questions number 3. The point 3 and k minus 2 lies on x-axis. What is the value of k? We have point 3 and k minus 2 lies on x-axis. It's meaning the value here of y is 0. We know in order contains of x and y. First projection and second projection. Y will be equal 0. So k minus 2 will be equal 0. Then k will be equal to, the value of k here equal to, okay? Question number 4. Which algebraic expression equates following 2x minus 3 minus 4x plus 1? We know 2x plus, and the result will be negative 2x minus 2. Where is the solution? It's equivalent negative 2 minus 2x. We can replace the two terms here. So you must choose letter D about this example. Questions number 5. A piece of land measuring 36 faddans was divided between two people in a ratio 7:2. Which of the following could be the share of one of the people? We can divide it 36 by two persons. First and second and the sum. Okay, the first get 7 parties and second person get 2 parties. Then the sum of parties here, it will be 9 parties. And then the total number of faddans was 36. So you can find the value of A and B. A here versus 2 is the share of first person. Share of first person, we can write 7 product by 36 over 9. And the share of the second person, P, equal 2 product by 36 over 9. We know 36 divided by 9, 4. 4 times 7 equals 28. And 36 divided by 9, 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. Then the share of each one of them, 28 faddan and 8 faddan. We want to find the share of one of the people we have here is the example 28 faddan. Choose letter D. Was questions number 5. Okay, next question number 6. What is the measure of the angle supplemented the angle 34 degree and 60 minutes. We know supplement is its meaning. Sum of two angles equal 180 supplements angle. We have acute angles and obtuse angle. An obtuse angle supplements acute angle. We have this angle, the measure is 34 degree and 60 minutes. We know 34 degree and 60 minutes equivalent 35 degree. Why? Because 1 degree equals 60 minutes. You must know this information. 1 degree equals 60 minutes. So 60 minutes equivalent 1 degree. 8 to 34, it will be 35. Okay? Then you can write supplements here 180 subtract by 35. The result will be 145 degree. So the result, you must choose letter C. Or you can use calculator to find the result. It's very easy to find the result by using calculator. How is this? Look at with me with steps by using calculator here. Now I will write 180 here, 180, okay? Write 180 subtract by numbers here, 34 degree and 60 minutes. We can write 34 right here, 34 degree here. This is bottom, okay? 34 degree and 60 minutes. Yeah, this bottom, and then equal. So the result in one step 145. You can use calculator by this bottom. Write 34 first, 34, and this bottom, and complete 60 this bottom. Okay, and the result will be 145. And you must know what's the meaning of supplement. Supplement is its meaning sum of two angles equal 180. So you must pay attention about this. Next questions number. So you must choose it as you. Okay. Now we will solve the questions number 7. Questions number 7. Which of the following angle must be one of the interior polygon for its concave? Concave reflex. Like this, we have this polygon concave. Concave is meaning we have at least one angle. The measure of this angle greater than 180 and less than 360. We call it reflex angle. Okay, so you must choose letter D. Understood? Again, what about concave? Concave polygon, we have at least angles. The measure of it greater than 180 and less than 360. We call the reflex angle. Reflex angle. Okay. The measure of this greater than what? Greater than 180 and less than 360 degrees. So you must choose letter D about this example. Second group here, choose the correct answer. Number 1, 5 over 7 equals 30 over x plus 1. What is the value of x? We have 5 over 7 equivalent 30 over x plus 1. We know the product of extremes equal product of means. Then we can write 30 product by 7 over 5. Okay, and then 30 divided by 5, 6. 6 times 7 equals 42. So x plus 1 equals 32. So the value of x equals 41. Question is number 2. If ABC is scalene triangle is meaning all sides are different. Okay, where the length of AC, we have triangle here like this. Anything. Okay, A, B, C. We have AC was 3 centimeters. This side length is 3 centimeters. Okay, it's clear with you. It's 3 centimeters. And he give us the length of BC 5 centimeters. We want to find how many integer value can the length of A be. Again, he give us EC 3 centimeters and CB equal 5 centimeters, and he was scalene triangle. Okay, what I mean about scalene is different. He want to find how many integers the value can the length of AB. We know EB falling to the opposite intervals is the difference between two sides. 5 minus 3 equal 2 and 5 plus 3 equal 8. Then we must know EB not equal 3 centimeter and EB not equal to 5 centimeter because it was scaling. And EB falling to the set of integers lies between 2 and 8. We have 3. No, don't write 3. 4. Don't write 5. 6 and 7. So we have 3 solutions about this example. The result will be letter B. يعني شباب الاكزامبل ده بيقول لي تراينجل سكالين يعني الالسايد كلها مختلفه. تمام. فانت اللي تبقى عارف دايما في اي تراينجل السايد الناقص عندك اللي هو الاي بي مثلا اي اسم بيبقى بولينج تو الانترفال للفرق والمجموع بتعملهم بلس وتعملهم ماينس وتشوف اللي بينهم. بس في حاجه في الاكزامبل ده غير اي مساله. هو قال لك ان هو سكالين يعني انت لما تيجي تختار الحلول بتاعتك المناسبه هتستثني ال5 وال3 هتبعد عنهم. ليه؟ لانه قال لك سكالين والسكالين ده ان هو مختلف فما ينفعش يبقى الاي بي يكون 5 ولا ينفع يكون يبقى 3. تمام؟ فدول هنستثنيهم نبعدهم. طب ايه الحلول الممكنه؟ والله كان عندي 3 و4 و5 و6 و5 بس انا هستثني منهم 2 اللي هم مين؟ اللي هم ال3 وال5 فيبقى عندي 3 حلول بس اللي هتنفع ال4 وال6 وال7. فهمت الطريقه؟ يبقى انت بتعمل بلس وماينس لاي اكزامبل بس ده حاله خاصه. اللي شرط قال لي ان هو لازم يبقى سكالين. انت عارف لو ما قالش سكالين كان يبقى الحلول كلها ممكنه 1 2 3 4 5 عندك 5 حلول. لكن هو قال لي سكالين فانا هبعد عن ال 3 وال 5 فيبقى عندي 3 solution. Now we will explain question number 3. The value is expression 3k minus 4m plus 1 at k equal negative 1. Put k equal negative 1 in this expression. To find the value here, 3 product by negative 1 minus 4m plus 1. And they give us this information again, m was equal negative 2. Put m equal negative 2 here. In the expression, 3 product by negative 1, it will be negative 3, negative 4 times negative 2, it will be positive 8 plus 1. Negative 3 plus 8 equal 5, 5 plus 1 equal 6. So the result will be 6. Question number 4. If A equals set of 5 and 7, how many subsets does the set A have? طيب أنا عندي هنا ال A we have 5 and 7. We can write phi subset of A and A subset of itself. And we have 5 set of 5 subset of A and subset of 7 of A. Set of 7 subset of A. We have 1 2 3 4. For solution. Or we have the rule. احنا عندنا rule يا أولاد عشان يجيب لي the number of subset of any set 2 power 2. 2 power n والn هنا 2 element يبقى 2 power 2 يبقى الريزلت بتاعي 4. ده قانون بنحل بيه عشان نجيب number of subset. يبقى الريزلت هيطلع ب 4. تمام؟ Look at next question. Number 5. If ABCD parallelogram, we have parallelogram here, you can draw to sample the expression with you. ABCD parallelogram, AC equivalent to BD. So it will be rectangle. Rectangle is parallelogram which two diagonals are equal lengths. Okay, ABCD because he tells us AC equal BD. And again, perpendicular. Perpendicular, it will be converted to square. Equal lengths and perpendicular. So ABCD is a square. Okay. Choose letter D. We must know the definition of a square. Square is a parallelogram which has two diagonals, equal lengths and perpendicular. We have two properties about square. Square has two diagonals, equal lengths and perpendicular. If perpendicular only, we can call it will be rhombus. Rhombus is parallelogram which two diagonals perpendicular. Okay, ABCD is a rhombus if two diagonals perpendicular and not equal in lengths. And ABCD is a rectangle if two diagonals equal in lengths and not perpendicular. and square, it will be square. Why? Because two diagonals perpendicular and equal ellipses. So we have two properties about square of diagonals. Okay, so you must choose letter D here. Next question, number 6. Which of the following equivalent subtracting -5 subtract by -8? We know -5, negative from negative positive, so the result will be 3. It's equivalent to what here? We can replace 8 and -5. We can write 8 minus 5, choose the B. Question number 7. What is the value of x? We have two straight lines here parallel, and we have transversal of them. Then the measure of A will be equal measure of C. We call it interior angles, alternate interior angles. Then the measure of angle x, it will be 50 degrees. Okay. Next question, third group. Answer the following questions. Number 1. 4 persons purchased tickets to Egyptian Museum in Cairo. They also purchased souvenirs for 500 Egyptian lira. If the total cost is 620 Egyptian lira, write the equation expression. This situation, what is the price of one ticket? Okay, the total cost 620. You want to find the equation, express this situation. What is the price of one ticket? The total was 500. Okay, total purchase 500. We can write for product the price of one ticket plus the price of the gift 500, so the total will be 620. يعني يا شباب انا عندي هنا 4 اشخاص اشتروا تذاكر وكمان اشتروا هديه بمبلغ 500 جنس الليره، وكان توتال المبلغ كله 620. فانا عايز اكتب ايكويشن عشان تجيب لي ثمن التذكره الواحده. فانا هفرض ان النمبرز للتيكتس الاكس دي معناها الفاليو اوف اتش تيكت، هم 4 بيرسونز تمام، وكل واحد فيهم قطع تذكره. هفرض ان البرايس اوف 1 تيكت باكس، يبقى 4 اكس اللي هي ثمن التذاكر كلها والهديه اللي معاهم، كل ده ب 620. Okay, then 4x plus 500 equals 620. We can solve this equation by moving 500 here. Then we can write 4x equals 620 subtract by 500. Then 4x equals the difference between them, and then divided by 4. The result will be 30. As the price of one ticket equals 30 Egyptian lira. Okay, understood this question? Okay, question number 2. If the skull of the map is 1,600,000 and the distance between 2 points on the map is 4.5 centimeters, find the real distance between 2 points. First step, we must know about the rule here. Drawing skull equal length in drawing to length in the reality. And then we can write the rule here. We have length in drawing 4.5 centimeter to length in the reality 1. We have put here x and the ratio 1 to 1 to 600,000. It's not 1 million again. Are you reading it 1 million? No, we have here ratio 1 to 600,000. So the ratio between length in drawing and length in reality 1 to 600,000. He gives us is the information. Length in drawing 4.5 centimeter, and you want to find the length in the real by kilometer. Okay, understood? You want to find the real distance between 2 points. Understood? Length in the reality. Okay, we can write the rule here. The product of streams equal product of means. Then the value of x equal, right, 600,000 product by 4.5 over 1. To convert from centimeter to kilometer, you must divide it by 100,000. Understood? Again, we have here 1 to 600,000. Okay, the ratio between length in drawing and length in the reality, because the drawing scale is the ratio between length in drawing and length in the reality. And he gives us length in drawing 4.5 centimeter, and we want to find length in the reality. Okay, we can write here x raised to length in reality. And then we must convert from centimeter to kilometer by divided by 100,000. We cancel 50 by 50. Then x will be 5 by times 6, it will be 30, 0, and carry up 3. 4 times 6, 24, plus 3 equal 27. Then the result will be 27 kilometers. It's the distance between 2 points. Okay, he won't find the real distance between 2 points in the reality. It will be 27 kilometers. Questions number 3. Online retail sales are growing rapidly. If the heights online lead sales are 50% for travel and 20% for clothing, and footwear, and 15% for computer device and software, 10% for automobiles and spare parts, and 55% for home furnishing. The row by chart represent online sales. عايزك ترسم هنا باي شارت للانفورميشن كلها. طبعا المبيعات بتنمو بسرعه كبيره جدا، مبيعات التجزئه عبر الانترنت، وجاب لي مجموعه من البيانات وعايزين نمثلها بطريقه الباي شارت. draw by chart represent online. First step, we can find the first percentage 50% refers to travel. Okay, we can find the measure of central angle of each one of them. Measure the measure of central angle of first one, travel. Okay, we can find the percentage here was 50%. Okay, look at here, 50%. It's meaning 50 over 100 product by 360. And the next one, the measure of central angle of the second type of closing. 20 over 100 product by 360. And the measure of next one here, we called it what? 15% for computer devices. It was 10. We have 15 over 100 product by 360. And then the measure of central angle of automobiles. Okay, automobiles 10%. Automobile will 10 over 100 product by 360. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, and 5% of home furnishing. 5 over 100. You can find this by using calculator. 50 over 100, it will be 180 degree, and this number cancels 0 by 0, and 2 times 36, it will be 72 degree. And we have 15 half of 30, and we have here cancel double 0 by double 0, it will be 36 degree, and last one 5 cancel 0 by 0, and half of 36, it will be 18 degree, and this number we have 15 times this number, cancel 0 by 0, and 15 times 36 divided by 10. Okay, we can use calculator here. We write 15 divided by 10 times 36. The result will be 54 degrees. Okay, it's first step. Second step, we can draw circle. We can draw the circle here by the radius 5 centimeter or 4 centimeter, and then you can use protractor to draw the first angle 180 degrees, second angle 72 degree here from 0 to 72, and then 54 degree like this from 0 to 54 degree from this protractor during this angle 54 degree, and next 18 degree from 0 to 18, and here from 0 to 36 like this. Okay, it will be here 72 like this part, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have 18 here. Never mind, anything you can draw it by use the protractor, it will be exactly true. Next question number 4. In the opposite figure, prove that AB parallel to CD. Okay, to prove that AB parallel to CD, we must prove that measure of angle A equal measure of angle C. We called it alternating angles. Look at with me about this example. Here we have this straight line of this ray parallel the ray in the base, and we have ray bisect it to angles equality, and we have here 58. Okay, and this E, and here C, B, and A, and D. He give us this angle 29. Like we can write this such that the ray EP bisects this ray bisects angle A. Then measure of angle A equal 29 plus 29. It will be what? 9 plus 9, 18. 8 and carry up 1. 3 plus 2, 5. It will be 58 degree. Measure of angle A. Then we know measure of angle A equivalent measure of angle C equal 58 degree. We call it alternating interior angle. Alternating interior angle. Okay, alternating interior angles. Then AP will be parallel to the ray CD because we have two angles alternating. In this example, he won't find C with prof, measure of angle C. Okay. Look at with me about we have here ray bisect angle P, and this ray bisect angle A into equivalent angles here, and angle C up. He wants to find measure of angle C by prof, and this angle was 128. First step, we can find in the triangle EDB, right, with me, and triangle EDB, such that measure of angle EDB was equal 128 degree. Then measure of angle right here DBA plus measure of angle DAB equal 180 subtract by 128. 10 minus 8 equal 2, and 7 minus 2, 5. It will be 52 degree. So the sum of two angles here, it will be 52 degree. And then such that ED bisects angle A, and the ray PD bisects angle P. Then we can write half of this angle. It will be what? Half this angle plus half this angle. It will be 52. Then measure of angle A plus measure of angle P equal what? We know the sum of them. Half of this angle plus half of this angle equal 52. We can product by 2 because half of measure A plus half of measure B equal 52. We can product by 2 about this equation to find the measure of angle A plus measure of angle B. It will be twice 52. It will be what? 104. Then in triangle, we can write in triangle ABC, then measure of angle C equal what? We can find the measure of angle C in the triangle. Okay, we have triangle here, ABC. We have sum of two angles here, and then we can find the measure of angle C by write 100 each subtract the sum of two angles. Sum of two angles 104. 10 minus 4 equals 6, and 7 minus 0 equals 7. Then the result will be 76 degrees. The measure of angle C in triangle. Okay, understood? It's a solution about this question.